I'm Roxanne, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing super well today. I'm going to be doing a really quick video for you today, just sharing my brand new phone case from a brand called BURGA. This is one I purchased for my brand new phone, my brand new iPhone Pro Max Plus, which if you haven't already watched it, you can watch my iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing video, which I'll link above for you. But yes, my case has just arrived, and I did say in that video that I'm going to be doing a phone accessories style video afterwards to show you the case that I purchased. So this is from a brand called BURGA, as I said, or BURGA. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, so I do apologise. But I was trying to find an iPhone 12 Pro Max phone case, and there's not too many websites actually sell decent ones that actually look beautiful. I really am all about a fancy phone case. I feel like this is very reflective of me. To be honest, I do feel like your phone case does represent you. I like something a bit more bougie, a bit more bright, colourful, has something different about it. So when you see it in like pictures or things like that, you kind of want to know where it's from. That's what I like about this phone case. So I chose a very garish one which has tigers on it and I think a leopard on it, and it's got like a nice like reddy background with some tree leaves. But they've got so many on their website, and this is actually one of the most affordable ones that I could find that I liked the look of. There's quite a few different websites I think out there, but the price of these phone cases just for this size of phone is insane. I'm hoping that they become more affordable over time when this phone is more popular. On their website, which I'll insert here for you, they do a variety of different products, from phone cases, MacBook cases, screen protectors, wireless charger, car chargers, etc, etc. You can find a load of different goodies on there, and they always usually do like a 10% off when you immediately go onto their website, which is great just to get a bit of discount because they're not cheap. But they're also not the most expensive out there, which is why I went with this brand. Plus, I saw this case and I kept going back to it, and I kept saying to Gary, what do you think of that? Do you like that one? And then I'd scroll and see some other floral one. I was like, it's cute, but it's very not really me. That's why I went with this one. It comes in this really lovely, as you saw from the video in the beginning, this really lovely like velvety feel case, which I think is a really nice touch. And you can use, I think there's like a discount on there where you can get buy two get two free if you're really into swapping and changing your iPhone cases, which I haven't previously done. I mean, I did when one breaks, but I'm hoping this doesn't break. But I probably would swap and change it maybe if I wanted like something more fancy, or if I think I wanted to do a review on it or something, I don't know. This took around a week and a half to arrive from when I ordered it, which is actually quite slow, but given the postage at the moment with COVID, I think that may be the reason. I actually purchased the case before I purchased the phone because I assumed postage wouldn't be that great. It says on their website, if you live in Europe, the shipping may take 3 to 10 business days. However, if you live across the ocean, USA or Canada, it can take anywhere between 7 to 18 days. So this is from their Savage collection, and it's called Morning Commute. Very odd name, I think, for the packaging, but hey ho. I had iPhone Pro Max, and you can get two, so you can get the snap one or you can get the tough one. And I didn't realise there was two options on their website for the case type. This is quite a thick, heavy duty one, which is probably good because I have a tendency to drop everything. For snap cases, these are one piece hard shell design. This is a tough, by the way. So for the snap case, it's one piece hard shell design, ultra thin, sleek and lightweight for those who like the original shape of their phone. So obviously this, to be honest, looks exactly like my iPhone would. It's just got a thicker case, but there we are. For the tough one, it's a dual layer silicone interior and hard shell exterior, which I like. Covers all around the phone. Raised bezel, I don't know how to pronounce that, for screen protection. Slim profile and comfortable to hold. for those who need extra protection while maintaining the style. I am that person, but you do have options, but I did really prefer this. You get a 12-month guarantee on any purchases as well, so obviously if it breaks you can return it, which is really good. So for the Snap one, it's €25.95, and for the Tough one it's €32.95. I mean, that obviously then converted into sterling pound, but that's how much it costs. Yeah, but I do love it. I think it looks really nice. I think it's very good quality. Yeah, there we go. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and give this a big thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Bye.